y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Okay, today we're doing a short little cooking video tutorial on how to make Okimama. How do you say the potato again? Okinawa purple stuffed Hawaiian sweet potatoes, but we're gonna add some Mexican flavor spice to it. So I got black beans, I got avocado, spinach, cilantro, peppers, onion. I'm gonna make a little bit of guacamole with some beans for the protein, add it on the potatoes, slap it in there, mix it up, and that's it. So I cooked my potatoes here for like an hour, and this is the purple beautiful potato. So that took a little bit of time. So I wanted to pre-cook that for you. I'm gonna like scrape out the insides a little bit and then mix it a little bit and then add my toppings. So my pan is being preheated, so I gotta add my stuff, my shenanigans. You know, I need some bachata. So, okay. So you're gonna spray your pan. And we're gonna add in over here the onion. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? That's when you know it's done. And then a little bit of the spinach. Okay. Liquid gold aminos. Some spicy water chili peppers. And some paprika. And then a little bit of garlic salt. And then we're gonna let this cook down while we make our guac. Okay, so over here, and don't say anything about my hair down. I gotta look cute for the video, and I'm 100% vegan anyway, so if you eat a piece of hair, it's vegan hair. So here we go with some guac. We got to put the lime in the coconut. Okay, let me chill. We gotta put the guac, all the avocado in a bowl. If you don't know how to make guacamole, who are you? So I'm just gonna make a really simple one that my friend taught me. So you just add in some avocado, squeeze a little bit of lime, and you gotta know how to multitask because you don't want this to burn while you're making your guac. Okay, so you're just gonna do a little bit of things at once. So add in your lime, and then we have some cilantro and some tomato, potato. So that's gonna be here, and now I gotta get a fork and my garlic salt and smash away. It's better if you have like a really good creamy avocado, but I got what was at the store, so don't complain. So some garlic salt. Cilantro. And smash it like you should smash that like button if you like this video. Okay. Just trying to teach y'all how to cook. Because if you don't know how to cook, sis, you ain't getting wifed. Okay, so let's try the guac. Sometimes I wonder who I am too. Sometimes. Alright. Now we have to prepare Okinawa potato. So I cut her open. Turn that off because that's gonna burn. Right. Fork's right here. Okay, so just slightly get the insides like this. And then these potatoes come out usually a little bit dry, it seems like. I usually haven't stuffed this before, so I'm gonna put stuff in it so it's not like really dry. Add your beans in, by the way. A little bit more aminos. and some chili peppers. Okay, so we're gonna add in most of the inside. And you can keep the base looking like that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce and some aminos. Why is that? Some paprika.
I'm just wondering what the hell you're making.
Garlic sauce.
Some hot sauce with the potatoes.
You've never put hot sauce on your potatoes?
Oh my god.
Who the heck are you? I don't know who you are actually. Okay, so now, espérame. We need some bachata, This is nutritional yeast, aka vegan gold. And we're just going to add some of that. Gives it like a nice cheesy flavor. Okay, so now that this is drier than, I don't know, I'm gonna add some more aminos. Okay, so here is a nice flavored base. Some people don't flavor it, and I think that just doesn't make the potato taste the same. So it's good if you flavor the base like this, and then
Bake that taco.
I baked this taco. Okay, so now we have our beautiful Okinawa potato, however you say it. We're gonna put some of the beans, onion, and peppers. Oh my god. OMG. And then we're going to top it with some guacamole. I'm just saying, like, look at that. We're gonna put a little bit of sauce. Okay. Some paprika. This is like a meal under 10 minutes. Some spinach. Oh, sis. Look at how beautiful she is. Isn't she lovely? I'm just saying that's like simple, clean, easy vegan meal that was literally under 30 minutes. Cook your potato while you're getting ready, which I did. And then you add your beans, your protein, your avocados, your good fats, your veggies and all that. So here you go, a nice little yummy potato for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all soon.